Now, to be a Saturday Group member, you have to be an artist. Ay kami, you can be nobody, even if you're not artist. After that, Bet Reader and si Cesar, because whenever I see him almost every 2 nights, I go to his bed telling me, Tiny, problema ko sa Saturday Group, who will take over? May pera tayo dito.
Oo.
Kasi yung pera interaction nandun doon, okay? May malaking pera eh. Eh sabi niya, paano yan? Sabi ko, may leaders.
Okay.
Yung iba, sabi ko, sino yung nandiyan dyan? Sinahalan yung mga dati, sila Onip, nandiyan dyan. Kasi sabi ko, Ligaspi, sabi ko, I only joined the Saturday Group when you call on me and we have a project, kaya ng fundraising sa UP. You only call the core. You call the original. You didn't call the rest. You only called Hoya, me, Sanso, Onip, si King de Pio. King de Pio was part of it, no? The Saturday Group.
Early ba si Gig pumasok?
At middle na. 70s na. Mga 70s na. Pero, yeah, he was, medyo early na rin siya eh.
Early na rin yun.
Even Lorenzo was part of our group.
Diosdado?
Yeah. Kaya dumating din yan twice or 3 times. Kaya masaya talaga. Nandun. Alquas was there all the time when he was here.
Of course, nag-join
Finally, Silvana became a sort of the secretary of the Saturday Group. They held an election. Only won in the election. Basta talo lahat ang nominate. Onib won. So he was the leader. After a week or 2, nagkaroon ng kudita. He was taken out.
Si Onib, taken out by whom? By the people, by the artists?
By some of the artists there, like the Rad Paras Perez. Do you know that Rad Paras Perez was banned sa Saturday Group, excommunicated?
Anong kasalanan niya?
This was in the 70s when he was connected with Gallery Blue na nag-curate siya. He was part of the Saturday Group. Medyo mainit na rin ang dugo sa kanya ni Hiding. But he joined the group kasi he was taken out of yung Filipino Heritage Book, Hiding. Pinalit niya si Cora Albina. Anyway, he used to join. He found out that the king gave money for the group to sponsor the group. And at that time, kasama din si Rad. Rad, he used it for his own show at the Gallery Blue.
Ano ginamit ni Rod? Pera?
The finance, yeah. Some of the money that Tiking was gave for the Saturday Group. Kasi Tiking was an art patron of the Saturday Group.
Paano nahawakan ni Rod ang pera?
I really don't know, but nagalit si Tiking. Tiking told the group, this is for the group, not for this guy. Ito, malakas ang Saturday Group nito eh. We're talking about mga 80s na eh. We started not accepting Rod. So he was embarrassed to join the group. So he was like excommunicated. Nung namatay si Cesar, na naman siya. Tama na naman siya. Kasama siya sa kudita. Ayaw niya si Onib eh. Bisan may bias, bisan ayaw sa artist eh.
Okay, so nakakasira ang politics sa grupo na yan?
Well, the politics came in when it started when at near the end of Ligaspi. Kasi Ligaspi was a little bit bedridden.
After the administration of sila Onib Malang, sino na mga sumunod dyan?
Wala. Tapos si Malang naging presidente. And then, medyo nahalata niya na medyo mahalata ako dito kung bias. Kasi, from 1985, I was just watching what was happening sa Saturday Group. Longer connected with them. They only called me up kung may project.
Okay.
Then I joined. Pero some of the people there, some of the artists ng Saturday Group, ang tingin ko para ako naging squatter. Kung na mga kilala, hindi na ako kilala. Kasi they introduced. Then the Saturday Group ngayon started to go to yung venue, walang Tasa Doro. So they started going to Kinale.
After Tasa, naging Kinale.
Kinale, doon na nag-venture.
Kasi kaibigan sila ni Malang at ni Vita.
Oo, nandun na. Ang problema ngayon, yung mga ibang mga art gallery owners, hindi na pumupunta. They cannot now propose doon sa artist kung ano yung ginagawa, kung gusto nila kunin. Kasi it's in a gallery.
Oo nga, commercial.
So, nahihiya na yan. Wala na. Even the mga art patrons, mga ganun, nahihiya na pumunta. So, nagiging artist na lang ang pupunta doon. You're an art critic, you join. Like Jolico, join us. Ang dami nag-join na writer. Even journalists, join us. Even poets. They join the group because masaya.
So, ngayon, artist na talaga.
Artist na ngayon. Which means, ayoko na. May mga presidente, may mga ganito, may mga gagawin. Wala. noon, everybody can voice out. Even yung a member who's, but, hey, I have an idea. Can we do this? Pag na maganda, okay, let's start that. That's a good idea. Eh, ngayon, wala. Puro art. Artists sometimes you get tired of art also. You have to have something, a space na masaya. You know, that's why sometimes I go out of town. Saturday group was, I could hardly wait yung Saturday so parang magtutod ako. Parang I was looking forward always for Saturday to come. Even when I went abroad, I left for a year, I wrote almost every 2 weeks, I wrote the Saturday group, what I was doing in the States, how was it? Kasi namimiss ko. Ganun ang Saturday, ganun kasarap ang Saturday group doon.
So nag-evolve na yung character under different administration. Chris Cruz,
ang gulo na ngayon.
Batch Convocar, etc.
Well, it's purely an artist group. But they should not use Saturday group. That's why what we try to do now is we just call ourselves now the Tasa de Oro group. We don't even use the Saturday group now. I was part of the Saturday group, but it's different now. Kasi they can always associate us with the Saturday group. Well, Saturday group doesn't exist anymore. It exists by name.